If you have been using Evernote Web Clipper extension on your Chrome browser and you no longer need it, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can completely remove this extension from your Chrome browser. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, you need to go ahead and open your Chrome browser and make sure you are logged in with your Google account. As you can see, I'm logged in. Once you are here, now head over to the extension icon on top here and then choose manage extensions. As you can see, this will list all the extensions that you have on your Chrome browser, and among them Evernote Web Clipper is here. From here, we can now remove this extension. However, if you can't access this page because you don't see this shortcut, then you can head over to this ellipsis here and click on it, and then scroll down below. You should see extension. If you hover over it, now you can see the option manage extensions. If you click on it, it will again take you to the same page where you can see a list of all your extensions. You have two options: either to turn it off, that is to make it inactive but still retain it, or you can now remove it completely. To remove it completely, just go ahead and click on remove and then confirm by remove here, and this will uninstall this extension on your browser. So that's how you can permanently delete or uninstall Evernote Web Clipper extension from your Chrome browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.